In the ever-evolving world of automotive lighting, LED headlights have become the gold standard for drivers who demand clarity, efficiency, and cutting-edge design. As we move into 2025, advancements in LED technology are delivering brighter beams, longer lifespans, and smarter features than ever before, like adaptive lighting, app connectivity, and energy optimization. Whether you're upgrading for safety, style, or sheer performance, this year's top LED headlights offer something for every kind of driver. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 5 best LED headlights and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, so let's get started. Number 5. DDM Tuning Sabre 55W Pro X. DDM Tuning's new 4500K color option for their premium LED lineup is truly a standout in the aftermarket lighting world, bringing a warm white tone that mimics the natural look of halogen bulbs while delivering far superior performance. This is a game changer for enthusiasts who prefer a warmer aesthetic over the cooler 6000K options that dominate the premium LED space, as it offers a balance of modern LED brightness with the timeless visual comfort of halogen. During our testing, the beam quality proved excellent across different applications, including reflector housings, projectors, and fog lights. But as with any aftermarket lighting upgrade, verifying the beam alignment after installation is strongly recommended to ensure safe and optimal performance. The 4500K LEDs not only delivered comparable output to the 6000K variant, but also impressed us with their combination of warmth and clarity, making night driving less fatiguing without sacrificing distance or visibility. In fact, DDM Tuning's premium LEDs offer up to 245% additional low beam light compared to halogen, with a remarkable 1288 peak hotspot distance versus 373 for stock bulbs, ensuring significantly greater reach on dark roads. With a total system output of 9,766 lumens per kit compared to just 3,128 lumens from halogen, these LEDs represent a massive leap in performance, proving that warm light doesn't have to mean weak light. Rated at 4200K, the color sits between halogen's yellowish 3400K and standard LED's cool blue-white 6000K, making it ideal for drivers who want a refined look that reduces glare and improves comfort. While priced at $200, the performance, longevity, and unique warm white output make this kit well worth the investment. That said, buyers should act quickly. This particular 4500K model is being phased out, and availability is already limited in certain sizes, making it a must-have option for those who appreciate both aesthetics and power before it disappears from the market. Number 4. Morimoto 2-Stroke 4.0. The Morimoto 2-Stroke 4.0 LEDs stand out as one of the most versatile and reliable LED upgrades available today. Designed with a critical focus on full compatibility with any DRL system, a feature that sets them apart from most aftermarket LEDs. Unlike other options that tend to flicker, run at full brightness, or fail to function properly in a DRL application, the 2-Stroke 4.0s solve this issue with their innovative DRL drive technology, which automatically detects a lower voltage signal and seamlessly reduces brightness to 30%, ensuring smooth, OEM-like functionality. During testing, this system worked flawlessly, making it one of the best choices for vehicles where DRL compatibility is a must. Beyond DRL functionality, the 2-Stroke 4.0s deliver excellent overall performance. They output a clean 5250K color temperature that strikes the perfect balance of crisp white light without the bluish hue common in lower quality LEDs, while producing a near perfect beam pattern in reflectors that rivals the performance of halogen bulbs. bulbs. Their advanced heat dissipation design is another standout feature, as it retains heat inside the headlight housing, similar to halogens, which ensures reliability and optimal function even in harsh weather conditions. When it comes to brightness, the two-stroke 4.0s are impressively powerful, offering a 138% increase in reflector brightness, 889 peak hotspot distance versus 373 for halogen, and a 34% boost in projector brightness, making them significantly brighter while maintaining proper beam focus. With a measured output of 3,106 lumens per kit, they provide a substantial upgrade over halogen without unnecessary glare. At $205, they may not be the cheapest option nor the absolute brightest LED on the market, but they excel in quality, reliability, and functionality, making them one of the best balanced choices for drivers who prioritize performance and compatibility. Add in a lifetime warranty, and the two-stroke 4.0s become an easy recommendation for anyone looking to upgrade either low or high beams with confidence.
Number 3, Farron Termitor LEDs.
The Farron Termitor is a strong choice for budget-conscious drivers who want a serious lighting upgrade without overspending, especially if their vehicle uses projector-style housings. Despite its modest sub-$60 price tag, this LED kit delivers performance that rivals more expensive options. In our testing, it produced a measured 575 lux on both low and high beams, which isn't record-breaking, but is still a massive improvement over standard halogens, translating to roughly plus 150% more light output on low beam and plus 30% more on high beam. This makes night driving much safer and more comfortable, particularly in projectors that manage beam spread effectively for consistent road coverage. The kit generates a total of 4,860 lumens per pair, far exceeding the average halogen bulb output of about 3,128 lumens, and the difference is very noticeable in terms of clarity and distance. With a color temperature of 6,500 Kelvin, the Termitor produces a crisp white beam with a subtle blue tint, giving headlights a modern, high-end look, while still maintaining decent contrast in clear and dry conditions. Power draw sits at 42.5 watts, and the bulbs use active fan cooling to stabilize performance, maintaining an internal temperature around 150 degrees Fahrenheit, though fan noise is slightly above average at 63 dB, not something most drivers will notice once installed. A big advantage of the Termitor is its built-in CAN bus support, which helps prevent dashboard errors and flickering issues that can arise in newer vehicles, a rare feature at this price point. Backed by a 1-year warranty, it offers peace of mind while keeping costs low. Overall, the Farron Termitor stands out as one of the best projector-focused LED kits under $70, blending strong brightness, reliable beam control, solid cooling, and compatibility into an affordable package that feels like it should cost more. Its best feature is undoubtedly the long-distance reach, making it one of the top-performing budget LED headlight upgrades we've tested.
Number 2, Hikari Wings H11 Fog Light.
The Hikari LEDs represent a major leap forward in projector headlight performance, delivering over 3 times the output of traditional halogen bulbs, making them one of the brightest LED options available for this application. Their standout innovation lies in the clever one-sided handle design, which allows light to be directed more effectively, resulting in an optimized beam pattern that many other LEDs fail to achieve. In our testing, the beam pattern proved exceptional, producing a bright and concentrated hotspot with minimal dark center, while still maintaining a sharp cutoff line that ensures strong visibility without excessive glare. The extreme distance these lights can achieve is undoubtedly their best feature, making night driving considerably safer and more comfortable. With a staggering plus 231% increase in low beam light compared to halogen, or 762 peak hotspot distance versus 230 for halogen, and an impressive 12,486 total lumens per kit, compared to just 3,128 for halogen, the performance upgrade is undeniable. However, their color temperature of nearly 6,850 K may not appeal to everyone, as the light output leans toward a pure white with a slight blue tint, in contrast to halogen's warmer 3,400 K yellowish tone. For those who prefer a more natural white light closer to daylight, options like the GTR Lighting Ultra 3, which sits around 5,000 K, may be more appealing. Price-wise, the Hikari LEDs sit in the $125 to $149 range, which is competitive considering their performance, but buyers should keep in mind they only come with a limited 1-year warranty, which may feel restrictive given the investment. Overall, we highly recommend the Hikari LEDs for projector applications due to their remarkable output, distance, and beam quality, as they truly transform nighttime visibility. Just be mindful of the color tone and warranty limitations before purchasing.
Number 1, DDM Tuning Saber LED Prox.
65W. The DDM Tuning Sabre LED Proc 65W is one of the most impressive LED headlight upgrades we've tested, delivering outstanding brightness, beam quality, and overall performance. Right out of the box, these LEDs stood out as the brightest in our lineup, producing an incredible 1614 lux in low beam at 25 feet, which is over 4 times brighter than a standard halogen bulb. The high beam was equally impressive, reaching 2087 lux at the same distance, making them ideal for long-range illumination. Rated at 5,800 lumens per side, 11,600 lumens per kit, our measured output came very close to DDM's advertised 14,000 lumens, something we rarely see with other brands that often exaggerate claims. The 6100K color temperature delivered a clean, crisp white light with just a subtle blue tint, closely resembling daylight and providing excellent visibility without being overly blue like cheaper alternatives. In testing across multiple reflector-style headlight housings, beam pattern quality was consistently strong, producing sharp cutoffs and minimal scatter, though we still recommend checking for proper alignment to avoid glare. The Sabre LED Proc 65W also offers versatility, with additional 6000K white and 3000K yellow options for fog light applications. Build quality was top tier, with a rugged, metal-based design that felt premium and on par with respected brands like Diode Dynamics. At under $200, these LEDs are not the cheapest option, but their extreme light output, reliability, and refined beam pattern make them well worth the investment for drivers who want maximum performance from their headlights. Available through BRI Source, buyers also benefit from free priority shipping, free returns, and free warranty replacements, making the purchasing experience risk-free. Overall, we rated the Sabre LED Proc 65W a strong 7.1 out of 10 for reflector headlights, thanks to its unmatched brightness, excellent beam quality, and dependable build. This is easily one of the best high-performance LED headlight kits on the market today for those who prioritize extreme distance and output.
If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.